Hey YouTube, this is Deb, and I want to come right quick and show you a couple of things that I picked up. Um, my print stuff. Let's see. Okay, first of all, this is a dress that I have on, just in case it's not showing on this thing. This is a dress. Because I just came from a wedding today. And I've wore this dress before on a outfit the other day. And the first thing I picked up was the 1-800 new phone. And I got it in a cassette because I just wanted it in my collection. And it's featuring Love Sign, Nona Gay, and the artist formerly known as Prince. And I don't have a cassette player yet, but I'm expecting to get one for Mother's Day, hopefully. And then I also picked up The Good Life. And it has like 6 different versions. And The Good Life is by the New Power Generation. And it's the maxi single, because the only thing on here is different versions of The Good Life. And I like that song. And you can hear Prince clearly singing in this song. And I also picked up the comic book. What is it called? Rock and Roll Comics with Prince as a superhero. This is just a collector's item. And I picked up some more things that were not Prince. I picked up Curtis Mayfield. Now, I was a little girl when he was popping, but I still, that's my other man right there, Ron O'Neal. I love the soundtrack. I love this movie, and I love the soundtrack. Look at Dog. Okay, I love this movie, and I love the soundtrack. So I picked up the soundtrack to Superfly. And also, I picked up Amy Winehouse. Back to Black. I have all these on my, I could plug it into my car and listen to it, but I like to have the physical CD also. So I have that, and then I went way back in the back and got the Silvers. And it's the Silvers' greatest hits. And then I also, this is back in the days also, I picked up The Best of Shalimar. And then I picked up a couple of movies and a TV show. I picked up The Partridge Family. I don't care what nobody said. I like me some Partridge Family. And I used to like him too. He's cute. David Cassidy. But I love that TV show, The Partridge Family. This is the complete second season, and I have the first season too. And then I also picked up 2 movies. 2 movies I picked up, and it is Diane Lane, Must Love Dogs, and It's Complicated. I had this once before, and I played it, so come on now. Come on. Oh, it's getting darker. But anyway, I had this once before, and It's Complicated, and I can't find it, so I purchased it again. But anyway, I'm not going to hold you long. I just basically, I think if I know how to transfer that wedding to my to the computer, I'm going to show you parts of the wedding that I went to today. It was a morning wedding, and it was so nice. It was